Hello and welcome to what's, believe it or not, the very last night of our Big Lap series. We have just spent the last week making our way all the way from Victoria back to our home state of WA and to some very familiar camping territory.
Yeah, we sure have. So we have obviously just had the absolute adventure of a lifetime.
Yes.
And we figured, even though it's a little bittersweet coming home, because as great as it is to see friends and family again, it's also really sad to be ending what has just been...
It's going to be a shock, right? Going back into the real world.
It's kind of hard to come back to the real world. And it's hard to say goodbye or to the end of this journey that we've been on. However, we figured what better way to do it than to come here in our local camp spot and catch up with a bunch of family and friends for one last camp.
As
off
you can
camera.
see behind us back there.
Yep, so not filmed, just one for us really. And one to just soak in our last night under the stars, our last night on the road before we actually go back to our house tomorrow.
That's so crazy to think about. We have absolutely had the year of our lives. We've seen more than we ever thought was possible.
Yeah.
From those epic campsites to those awesome four-wheel drive tracks, some highs, some lows, some awesome wildlife, and just
so much.
Everything in between. And honestly, we just feel so fortunate to have had the chance to experience everything we've experienced.
Yeah, for sure. And we have a massive thank you to say to you guys for that, because you have been watching along, supporting us. Everyone who has watched the video, commented, messaged us, said hello in person. Even our Patreons, obviously a huge thanks to you guys, and obviously our sponsors as well, because without all of you together, we would not have been able to go on the crazy adventure that we just have. So we're very grateful for that.
Every bit of your support means the absolute world to us. As Bianca said, whether it's just a like on a single video or a comment or just however you choose to support us, it honestly all means the absolute world. So with that, thank you guys so much for watching both this episode and the whole Big Lap series if you've been along since the beginning. It really means the world to us. We're about to go turn around and enjoy one last camp on the road before heading home.
Yeah, so I think we are going to leave you guys with some of our favorite clips as a little montage to wrap up this year, because obviously it's all in our brains and we've just seen it all. So I think, as Daniel said, we're going to go and enjoy sitting back and relaxing at the campfire and enjoying that. And hopefully you guys can enjoy this montage of what has just been the most amazing year ever.
Absolutely. So with that, we'll catch you guys when we catch you, I suppose.
Yeah, happy camping, guys. Let's go.
Yeah.
That's it.
Off to camp.
Hope when you take that jump, you don't feel the fall.
Hey guys, and welcome to our official Big Lap series here on YouTube.
Hope when the water rises, you build a wall.
Bianca's taking us down the tightest track.
Hope when the crowd screams out, you're screaming your name. Hope if everybody runs, you choose
Bloody hell. Oh, he's getting us bombed. Oh, I got that on drone.
Hope that you fall in love, and it hurts so bad.
Storage everywhere. Hey, this is like a nice view. Bianca, for some reason, has decided that all rainwater must be collected. There we go.
You don't suffer, but take the pain.
Oh my god.
Hope when the moment comes, you'll say, I did it all. I did it all. I owned every second that this world could give. I saw so many places, the things that I did. Yeah, with every broken bone, I swear I lived.
Oh, now it's really snowing.
Hope that you spend your days, but they all add up. And when that sun goes down, hope you raise your cup. Oh, I wish that I could witness all your joy and all your pain.
Made it to the northernmost point on the Australian continent.
I'll say, I did it all. I did it all. I owned every second that this world could give. I saw so many places, the things that I did. Yeah, with every broken bone, I swear I lived.
And I think a couple of months ago, we were there. Time to go home yet.
I swear I live every broken bone. I swear I did it all. I did it all. I owned every second that this world could give. I saw so many places, the things that I did. With every broken bone, I swear I live. I swear I live.
I know.
How weird.
It's crazy. It's gonna be weird. We're gonna have walls.
I want to miss it. I want to cry.
Showers are so available.
Oh, shower would be nice. And toilets. Running water.